Thank you for the times. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nyoman Trisna Herawati and Lokgede Kusuma Dewi will be present our research, namely development of Android-based accounting cycle learning application to improve technology skill of accounting student. Let me introduction. 4.0 Industrial Revolution development brings a transformation impact into life aspect, including change in learning system. One of the renewal in learning is the development of varied new literacy that need to be mastered by students, such as literacy in terms of data, technology, and human resources. Technology literacy can be defined as the ability to use, comprehend, arrange, and appraise a certain innovation that involves process and science to solve problems and expand one's capability. Therefore, technology used to support learning is highly needed so that students have the skill in utilizing technology, which is the end will be capable of inventing technology itself. Android-based learning media use is one of the means to exchange technology literacy among students. Basically, online learning media use is proven to upgrade academic achievement as well as learning motivation on students. This research purpose. Based on the above matters, this research is developing Android-based learning media in Accounting Introduction Practice course. Accounting Introduction Practice is one of the compulsory subjects for students in 2019 curriculum. This subject is a new subject. This is delivered to deep the comprehension of accounting introduction material, especially regarding accounting cycle named business practice. Research methods. This research is multi-year research because it starts with product development until it reaches product testing stage. However, in this article is only designed for 1 year, in which are the product development and product validity testing. Development model used a modification from 4D model by Thiaranghajan, Semmel and Semmel in 1942 by applying several stages which were defined, designed, and developed model. At the defined state, activities are focused on determining and defining learning conditions that begin with objective analysis with the constraint of the material of device in developing on. The second stage is design, which is prepare a prototype of the accounting cycle running application using Android media. In the development stage, an assessment of product quality is carried out based on input from media and material expert. The product trial process is carried out to assess the quality of the product from its practicality and effectiveness aspect. Evaluating product in this research only applies limiting testing upon one class of students in bachelor degree accounting program. Result and discussion. Android-based learning media design in this research named SIKA, short from Sistem Informasi Siklus Akuntansi. SIKA is a website-based software that is able to manage simple accounting cycle from creating account number, entry journal, to income statement and balance. SIKA can be accessed through various platforms from computer, laptop, tablet, and smartphone that are connected to the internet. Available features are as the following. User can able to register to system. System provide feature for register users to log in and log out. System can manage self-account number. System capable of performing journal entry. System can see journal list. System can see income statement, statement of financial position, and cash flow report. The several picture of SICA program can see in this slide. We can see home display menu and create account menu. And then we continue about the performing product validation. We can see media expert appraisal result data. The appraisal aspect we can see is in use and navigation. And then aesthetic or beauty, media integration, and technical quality. The average score is 93%, with criteria highly appropriate. And then the material expert appraisal result data, which can see appraisal aspect, material appropriate with basic competence and learning purpose, content and purpose quality, and instructional quality. The average we can see 79 or 18 with criteria appropriate. The conclusion of this result can we see based on the result of research through the learning device development procedure with 4D models by Tiarangajan, Semmel and Semmel. It shows that the Android-based accounting cycle learning application shows very feasible criteria on average. From the assessment of media expert, it was obtained an average score of 93% with very feasible criteria. Meanwhile, from the material expert assessment, obtained an average score of 79% with proper criteria. Furthermore, the feasibility tests carried out by students obtained an average score of 87% with very feasible criteria. Based on this data, this application can be applied to students taking introductory accounting practicum course. Suggestion and limitation. Things that can be suggested related to the development of this application include still needed explanatory features for the use of application that can show the relationship between the feature in the application and the learning objective to be achieved. Furthermore, feature simplification is also needed to make it easier to use the application. In addition, it is also hoped that in the future there will be additional features that can show the interaction between lecturer and student. This is very necessary because this application is practical, which allows a gap with the theory that has been given. The application has several limitations, including the network of access, which is sometimes unstable. This is because the media use an internet connection, so it really depends on the signal strength in each area. That's I can presenting my research, and thank you.